Can I tell you something controversial? Hmm? Most traders don't fail because they don't know enough. They fail because they know too much and understand too little. Think about that for a second. When I first started trading, I thought success was hidden somewhere behind the perfect strategy, perfect indicator, the perfect mentor, the perfect entry. I believe that if I could just find the missing piece, everything could suddenly click. But after 9 years plus of full-time staring at charts, blowing accounts, rebuilding, and watching countless traders quit, I discovered something that changed the way I see trading forever. The market wasn't my biggest enemy. I was. And I genuinely wish someone told me this before I started Forex. It would have saved me money, it would have saved me time, and more importantly, it would have saved me a lot of emotional pain. You know, those kinds of things, right? So closing a losing trade only to jump straight into another one because you need money. I've been there. Waking up at 2 a.m. just to check if your trade hits take profit. Scrolling through social media and feeling like everyone else is profitable except you. I've been there. If you have ever experienced that, then this video is for you because I'm going to share the lessons I wish someone had drilled into my head before I place the first trade in Forex. And a few of them might completely change the way you see Forex. So lessons number one, trading is not a money-making business. The first thing I wish someone told me is this: trading is not a money-making business. It's a risk management business. Most beginners think their primary job is to make money. It's not. Yes. The first job is to protect your capital, because if you protect your capital long enough, profits will eventually have room to show up. I learned this lesson the very hard way. I remember risking nearly half my account on a single trade because I was convinced it was the perfect setup. The market had other plans. One move, one mistake, and weeks of progress disappeared. That's when reality hit me. You don't need to win big. You just need to stay alive long enough to win consistently. And that's a lesson most traders never fully understand. Lesson number two, more trades doesn't mean more money. This one wouldn't even sound ridiculous to me because I would have started. More trades do not equal more profit. In fact, some of the most profitable traders I've met are the ones who trade the least. Sounds backward, doesn't it? Yes. Most beginners spend all day hunting for setups. They open charts, few minutes, they need action, they need movement, they need something to happen. Meanwhile, profitable traders are doing something incredibly boring. They are waiting, patiently, disciplined, comfortable doing nothing, because they understand something most people don't. The market rewards patience far more than activity. That's why one trader can spend 10 hours glued to the chart and lose money, while the other spends an hour reviewing the market and walks away with better results. So, lesson number three, winning can be more dangerous than losing. This lesson surprised me more often than anything else. Some of the biggest lessons in trading don't start with losing, they start with winning. A few good trades in a row can be dangerous. You start feeling unstoppable, you increase your lot size, you stop respecting your rule, you convince yourself you have finally figured everything out, figured the market, and then the market humbles you very fast. Most blown accounts don't happen because of a bad week. They happen because confidence quietly turns into arrogance. That's a lesson nobody talks about. Nobody talks about it enough. So there was a question that changed my mind. There was a question actually that changed my mind. The biggest shift in my trading happened the day I stopped asking how much can I make and started asking how much can I lose. That single question changed everything for me, because profitable traders think differently before entering a trade. They already know where they will enter, where they will exit, how much they will risk, what they will do if they are wrong. Most struggling traders figure those things out while the trade is already running. And once emotions enter the conversation, logic naturally leaves the environment. So here's how I manage trades today. Over time, my approach became much simpler. Here's the framework I followed today. Step number one, follow a trading plan. Not a setup that looks exciting, not a setup that feels right, a setup that matches your rules. If it doesn't fit the plan, it doesn't deserve your money either. If it does not fit the fan, it does not deserve your money. So, number two, define your stop before entry. Never after, always before. Your stop loss isn't there to punish you, it's there to protect you. Number three, risk small. Personally, I rarely risk more than 1% per trade. If you are consistently risking 5, 10, 20, 30 or more percent on individual trades, you are placing your account in danger. Professional traders think in probabilities, while gamblers think in hopes. Step number four, calculate your reward. Aim for favorable risk to reward. ratio. If you are risking $50, look for opportunities that can reasonably return at least $100. That matters. It matters. Leave the trade alone. That's step number 5. Set and forget principle. This is where most traders struggle. They enter the trade, then immediately they start interfering with it. Moving stop losses, changing targets, reacting to every candle. The market does not need your constant supervision. No matter how much you want the chart, you cannot create any candlesticks by your stare. So save yourself the stress. Trust the plan you created before your emotions got involved. Step number 6, protect your capital when appropriate. When price moves significantly in your favor, consider moving your stop loss to break even. Not because you are scared, because protecting your capital is part of the process. Secure the bag. Step number 7, journal everything. Whether you win or lose, document the trade. Write it down. Why you entered, why you exited, what you felt, what you learned. The journal will often teach you more about your trading than any mentor can ever have. So here's the final thing I wish someone had told me, and this lesson that goes beyond money. Trading does not just reveal your strategy, it reveals your character, your patience, your discipline, emotional control, your habits, your weaknesses. The market truly acts like a mirror. It exposes everything about your character flaws. That's why trading is not so much about making money. So the traders who survived long enough don't just build bigger accounts, they became better people. More patient, more disciplined, more resilient. The money becomes a byproduct of who they have become over time. So if you are struggling right now, if you have blown accounts, taking event trade, broken your rules, stayed awake all night, watch us, move one candle at a time, we are not alone. With plenty, we are here more. So most successful traders have been exactly where you are. The difference is they kept going, and maybe your breakthrough isn't just one strategy away. Maybe it's one lesson away, one habit away, one moment of discipline away. So keep showing up, keep learning, keep improving, because every consistent trader, profitable trader, was once the person who seriously considered quitting. The only reason they are winning today is because they stayed in the game long enough to figure out. So in this video, if it resonates with you, just tell me in the comment section what's one thing you wish someone had told you before you started trading. And if you are serious about becoming a disciplined trader, please subscribe to the Crown Traders social media handles and turn on the notification, because here we don't just chase profits, we build traders. And remember, a small account can grow, a bad month can recover, a losing streak can end, but only if you stay in the game. Smart traders, I'll see you in the next videos. Blessings.